Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Gentle reminder as always to one knock up the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Free and easy ways to support the channel. I have a lot of reasons to want to like this particular video. Yes, guys, this won't be a long one today for this particular video, but trust me, we're not going to smash up the likes button on this video. Why? Because we have good news that we are bearing. Seeing, we have good news that we are giving to you guys. Guys, reggae boy Shamar Nicholson has won his first piece of European silverware. Guys, let me repeat that. Reggae boy Shamar Nicholson has won his first piece of European silverware. Guys, that is a big deal, guys. Today, Spartak Moscow would have played Dynamo Moscow in the Russian Cup final. Shamar Nicholson's team came out victorious, right? And when you just knock up the like button for Shamar Nicholson, and then knock up the like button for Shamar Nicholson, this is indeed a very big deal. They beat Dynamo Moscow 2-1. Initially Spartak Moscow had taken the lead, and then Dynamo Moscow leveled up the scoring, and then Spartak Moscow got the winner. My stream was a bit bad, so I didn't get to see the entirety of the game, but I saw large chunks of it. And Boza didn't start the game. I saw large chunks of the first half. I saw most of the first half, large chunks of the second half. And Boza didn't start the game, but he did come on as a substitute in the 66th minute scene. And when I got back onto the stream, it was the 68th minute. And as soon as I got back onto the stream, I saw Boza running at a fullback, taking on a fullback in a 1v1 and getting past him and cutting it back into the box. Unfortunately, no one was, getting on, no one managed to get on the end of the service. But I say that to say that from what I saw, Shamar Nicholson seemed to have played very well, right? And he had a very important contribution on the goal as well. And that's very important to know because the ball was played to him. He dropped deeper in front of the defender, dragged the defender out of position, held up the play very well, laid it off to a midfielder, one of his teammates, who then made a one-time pass through the gap that the centre-back was occupying that he dragged out of that position. The midfielder played the pass, broke the defense line, sent Quincy Promes. Quincy Promes or Promes, you pronounce the name. I don't know the baller, for Dutch player, right? Sent him in behind. He, was in on goal. Stitch up the net. Spartak Moscow fans sent wild, stadium erupt. That was the game-winning goal for Spartak Moscow that would have enabled them to have won this game 2-1, and Boza had a massive role to play in that goal. Held up the play well, laid it off well to the teammate, dragged the centre-back out of position. That space was exploited with a defense-splitting through pass scene. So, big congratulations to Shamar Nicholson. Big congratulations to Shamar Nicholson. Didn't score, but from what I managed to see, he played well. Seeing Shamar Nicholson joins another reggae boy, Kahim Paris, in winning a European Cup title this season. Seeing Kahim Paris would have won the Slovenian Cup just the other day with Copper. They played Bravo in the final, and they would have won that game 3-1. And now Shamar Nicholson is beating Dynamo Moscow in the final 2-1 to win the Russian Cup. Spartak would have beaten a team in the semi-final called Yenisei, I think is how you pronounced it. Spartak would have won that game 3-0, and that was the game that got them to the final. Shamar Nicholson scored some goals in the cup as well, right? So he played an important role. He scored 3 goals. It's 3 goals? I think it's 3 goals Shamar Nicholson scored in the cup. Let me just double check that quick and fast. I was giving that off memory. But yeah, man, 3 goals in 4 matches in the cup. So I am correct. 3 goals in 4 matches in the cup. If memory serves me right, he scored 2 goals in 1 game as well. Seeing? So, yeah, man, I 2 goals in a hat trick him did score in the cup. I think I want a hat trick, Anyways, it don't matter. The fact of the matter is him did stitch some goals in the cup to help them to get to this final and, played other important parts along the way in getting to the final. So big shout out to Shamar Nicholson. This is a big deal. We love to see our reggae boys doing big things like this, right? Winning European titles, right? No joke. No joke. I'm still not happy about the move to Russia though, Still not happy about the move to Russia. Still not happy about the move to Russia. At least it is starting to pay dividends to a certain extent. Him winning first European silverware, so it kind of make up feet a little bit in my mind. But I still not think him should have did go Russia. See? But the choice is his, and clearly, he would have felt that was the best move for him. If he didn't feel so, he would not have made it. So guys, again, knock up the like button for Shamar Nicholson, right? Big accomplishment. Another reggae boy. Reggae boys have won some. Reggae boys have had some success in Europe this season, Seeing, and it is culminating now with Shamar Nicholson winning a Russian Cup title, again beating Dynamo Moscow in the final 2-1. He's the second reggae boy to win a European Cup title this season. Not a league, but a cup title. See? So guys, again, knock up the like button for Shamar Nicholson. Knock up the like button for reggae boy Shamar Nicholson. It's good to see our reggae boys doing big things, especially in a big country like Russia, man. Winning the Russian Cup with a massive club like Spartak Moscow is no joke. Seeing? So, guys, also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Free and easy ways to support the channel. So, guys, take care, stay safe, and until next time.